Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the SUUNTO application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on this icon right here, the top left corner, to open the device page. And if your watch is paired with your phone, you should see your SUUNTO Race 2 right here on this page. Wait until it's connected. And we already have a pop-up about the notifications permission. But if you don't have it, by any chance, you can scroll down and then tap on the option called Notifications on Watch. And if you try to enable the notifications, I believe it will tell you to enable the notification access. So if you see pop out about the permissions for the notifications access at any chance, when you open the app, allow it if you want to use the notifications or receive the notifications on your watch. So tap on allow, and now we should be able to turn on the notifications. And here we can do a few things. We can basically customize settings for our notifications. We have app notifications, call notifications, and messages. We can turn on or off the notifications for calls and messages. And in the app notifications, we can also turn them on or off as a whole, but you can also turn on and off the notifications for specific applications, as you can see. And how it works is basically if you enable the notifications, let's say for messages, and you receive the notification from messages on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see it only on your phone. There should be more applications on this list. For some reason, they're not here. And I wonder, I think it's because they will pop up on the list when you receive the notification from them. So let's see. Let's test my theory. I'm gonna open the Discord. Okay, I'm logged in. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And after we receive the notifications, or notification rather, we should see the app on the list now. Okay, we received the notification from Discord. Let's reopen the SUUNTO application. Tap on device icon, scroll down, tap on notifications on watch, tap on app notifications, and yes, Discord appeared right now. Some of the watches do that, which is weird. I think it's the SUUNTO and also some of the Amazfit watches, I think they also do that. Okay, and once you see the app you want to enable the notifications for, make sure it's enabled, and then we're about done. We can close the app, and now we should be able to receive the notifications from our phone on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself another message on Discord. Okay, and we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch. To check the notifications on your watch, you need to swipe up on the screen to open the widgets, and then you can scroll down, and here we have the notification widget, and you can tap on it. And here we have two unread notifications. As you can see, we have the one from Discord and the weather. Let's clear them. Okay. Dismiss. And dismiss. And let's send another one just to display it. So, did we clear them? Yes. And that's how it usually looks like rather. It pops up on your watch and also on your phone. But if you miss it on your watch, you can swipe up, tap on notifications, and here we have unread notifications. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.